Hey dolls, so I am back and this is going to be an unboxing video on a new bag. I just got back from out to eat with my parents and I had a drink, so whatever. But anyways, as most of you dolls probably know, I did start working. And a lot of times at work I am wearing black a lot, so I really wanted to get a new black bag because the bag that I was wearing all the time was my Givenchy and Tagona bag. So you dolls know one of my favorite brands for bags is definitely Louis Vuitton. Sorry if y'all hear Versace, he's breathing all hard and stuff. So I did purchase a new bag. This is the box that it came in. I have not opened it whatsoever. I just didn't show the top of the box because it has my info on it. And this did come earlier today, and let me tell y'all real quick. It came via FedEx. I did order this bag pre-loved from Fashion Fall. This is my first time ever purchasing a bag from them. So, you know, I've looked up some videos, so I'm kind of sure what to expect, but I've never personally bought one, so I really don't know. But the FedEx guy came and he knocked at the door, and they knocked so freaking hard like the police. But I was trying to hurry up and put my robe on because it was this morning. So whenever I went to the door, or while I was trying to get to the door, he had already knocked again, and I said, I'm coming. So then whenever I got to the door, he was going down the steps, honey, with my package. And I was like, I said I was coming. Like, where you going with my package? Like, so anyways, yeah. He was like, oh, I was just going to bring it to the office. And I was like, don't I need to sign for it? Like, yeah, right, buddy. I don't think the office can sign for a package if you have to sign for it. So yeah, and I don't have time to play with the office because they be closing early and I don't need them holding my package till Monday. So yes, I'm opening it up. I'm just gonna cut it open so I can have my information not to show. So on the inside of the box, this is how it looks. It says Fashion Fall on both sides, and I see some of the confetti sticking out already, which I've seen people talk about this in videos. So it's like gray and pink. And they also have the logo on the sides of the box, if you guys can see that. So this is the confetti, really cute. I like the gray and pink with the black and white, really cute. And then they also give you a nail file which says Fashion Fall. So this is kind of a unboxing and review for Fashion Fall as well, because I've never purchased from them, but it's more so about the bag. So they did give me a thank you, and it has their logo. And then I have this envelope, which I'm pretty sure is the details of what I purchased, kind of like the receipt, because I've seen it on other videos. I try to open it carefully without ripping the sticker, but I ripped it. So on the inside here, it says buying a Fashion Fall certified item, which means, if you guys don't know, Fashion Fall is a pre-loved website that sells basically used luxury brands, such as shoes, bags, sunglasses, wallets, makeup bags, jewelry, a lot of different stuff, but it's more so like high-end designer brands that people have sold back, so you can purchase them pre-loved, so it's previously used, but the items have been authenticated so that you know that you are getting the real deal. So yeah, it comes with this little card, and then it also has info on the bag that I purchased here, which is basically like the receipt, and then also some little postcards. Basically it says shop, sell, repeats, we want this bag back, Fashion Fall, cash for your bag. So yeah, if you want to sell your bag back, I guess, like, you can sell it, or if you have other bags you can sell them. I actually have a bag that I'm thinking about getting rid of because I don't really use it. So this is how it looks on the inside. It says used is the new, fashionfall.com. So it has a lot of extra stuffing paper in it, but this is the actual bag right here wrapped in this paper. So I'm going to pull this out, and I'm not going to tell you guys what bag I got yet until I open it. So yeah, the paper is already ripping just from the, well, not paper, but the sticker was already ripping off. So it does come with the Fashion Fall dust bag. I believe on the site it said that mine came with a like the Louis Vuitton dust bag, but I will have to see. I'm not sure. Really doesn't matter because I have plenty of them, so I won't really care about that. But they do give you a dust bag, which is nice. and you can store bags in it or whatever you really want. So then here is the bag on the inside. I'm so excited. So here's the bag on the inside. As you guys can see, it is black and there is silver hardware. So let's take it out and see how it looks. If I don't like it, then of course I would just send it back and get my money back. But yeah, so this is the bag right here, and this is a Speedy 30 in the epi leather in the noir, which is black. So this is the 30. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I'm liking it. I'm gonna post this video regardless, but I'm feeling like the bag is a little small, and it's probably because I was carrying my 35 for the past 2 days, and it's like the perfect size, but it is kind of big. So this is the 30. I don't know. The condition of the bag looks pretty good overall. There is a little bit of creasing at the bottom and stuff, but for the most part, it looks really good. I don't really see any flaws with it other than that. There is a little bit of rippling here as well as here. I don't know. I'm not in love with it. Like, I don't know, y'all. I'm not in love with it like I thought I would be. I was really excited because this bag is a vintage type of bag, but the more vintage ones have the gold detailing on them, or like the brass hardware, and the newer ones have the silver hardware. If I'm not mistaken, I think this bag is made in the 2000s. I wrote it down, but I don't have it with me. But yeah, it comes with a silver lock and details and everything versus the brass or silver. I don't know, I'm just kind of looking at it, checking it out, but I feel like it is small, and it's smaller than what I want. So I'm thinking that if I decide that I want to, either I'm gonna keep this bag or I'm gonna decide that it's too small. And if I feel like it's too small, then I will probably look for a 35 instead, because the 30, I was thinking like, okay, a 35 is big, and with these bags, I'm not sure if it works the same for the 30, but from what I've heard, the 35 is bigger than the 35 of like a monogram, or, you know, like a regular canvas. So yeah, I was thinking like, okay, well that's cool, because if I got the 30 and it's a little bit bigger, like, you know, it'll be kind of in between and it'll be perfect. But I don't know, it looks small. I'm gonna compare it to my other 30. I have a 30 that is a bandolier, and I like that one as a 30 because it has a strap. But on my regular Speedy, it's a 30 and it doesn't have a strap, and I really like that. I mean, it's a 35 and it doesn't have a strap, and I really like that as well. So I don't know, it just looks really small. I'm gonna unzip it. It does have bubble wrap on the inside, and it's really packed in there. Let's see. So yeah, it has some bubble wrapping paper, and yes, it did come with the dust bag. Sorry, but I have to smell it. So yeah, it doesn't have a smell. It actually doesn't have a smell at all. On this particular bag, it does have 2 pockets on this side. If I can kind of show you guys, on this side there are 2 pockets, which usually there is just that little flat pocket. But on the ones with the silver, that's how it's made, which I feel like that's probably better because it gives you a little bit more storage. But yeah, I think the bag is really cute. I do like it, but I don't know about the size. So I may end up sending it back and trying to find a bigger size of it. And yeah, at first I was thinking like I kind of wanted to get the black artsy, or, you know, like the Matisse or something like that, because I do like the ones that have the LV embossed into it. But then I was like, oh, a Speedy, like I love wearing my Speedy, that'll be perfect. And then I know that these, usually you can find them for a decent price, especially pretty decent, to say that it's all leather, you know. And yeah, I was like, okay, this would be a good work bag. Like, I really think it's super cute. I'm gonna, you know, try it on, walk around the house with it and stuff, and see how it looks on me, and compare it to like my 35, and just see if it's something that I really want to keep. But if not, I can send it back and get my full refund, as long as I keep this tag attached. So I won't be removing that at all until I really decide what I want to do. And yeah, I wanted to do this unboxing for y'all. This unboxing went so left for me because I was expecting to absolutely love this bag and just do a review overall on the bag that I got, as well as, you know, how I feel about fashion fall and all that type of stuff. And yeah, I think the bag, the overall quality of it and everything, it looks really nice. But yeah, I don't know. I just feel like I probably would prefer the 35, and if I have to settle for the gold hardware in the 35, I would probably prefer that, because I'm not sure if the silver hardware is available in the 35. But yeah, I do like the silver because you guys know I love silver. But also, now that I have it in my possession, I do feel like the silver kind of makes it look cheaper, because Louis Vuitton is known for their brass hardware. They do have some silver on some of their pieces. But yeah, I feel like it does kind of look a little bit more cheapy that it has the silver hardware on it. So I don't know. I don't know what to think. I really think I'm gonna send this back and look for a 35 and just the regular vintage. And I feel like the wear and tear on this one is pretty good. I did pay, I will tell you guys what I paid. And I have heard that Fashion File is one of the higher websites. Like, some of their stuff can be more expensive. I think it's Fashion File. But yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton Epi Speedy 30 Noir or Black. And this is $650. I don't know, it just looks kind of small. I'm gonna have to try it on and play around with it. And let's see, I'll try to stand up and kind of show you guys. So this is me standing and this is me holding it. And if I put it on my arm, I just sit right here. So this is me holding it on my arm. And let's see, my 35 and this is the 30. Like, it looks way freaking smaller. Like, I don't know. If I line it up, I have this much more room. So yeah, I don't know. I need to compare it to my 30. But it looks, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it looks pretty much way smaller. So yeah, I don't really know what to think, but from the videos that I've watched, I'm pretty sure people said that you can return it as long as you keep the tags attached. So yeah, I'm not going to take the tags off. I'm going to play around with it a little bit and see what I really want to do. And yeah, I guess I'll do an update or something eventually. And if I do end up sending it back and getting another bag, then of course I will do another unboxing. But yeah, I just wanted to come and show you guys and share my experience with you. I was really excited. And the purchase did come in fairly fast. I believe I purchased on either Sunday night or Monday, and today is Saturday. So, you know, about almost a full week for the item to come in. And yeah, I was really excited and I was waiting for it, because I was like, I need a new black bag that I can wear to work, because I wear black like almost every day and I don't want to wear my Givenchy and to-go bag every day. Plus it is more structured. Like, this one is pretty structured, but I don't know, I just wanted a new bag. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, but I guess we'll see what I end up doing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.